Friends of Chemung River Watershed are making the public aware of illegal dumping that's taken place at McKinnon Park.
I grew up around this area. I grew up around this park. I played football here. Honestly, it would be really nice to see something change, clean it up a little bit.
Chemung River friends say not many know the property that was 1355 Pratt Street is not actually part of the park, according to tax parcel maps. But people have been illegally dumping their trash here because it looks like a dump. There's even a burnt down structure and no secure fence to keep away children and pets, posing a safety issue. One woman who lives across from the park on Lake Street shared her daughters found needles near the property just last year. She said the house burnt down about 2 years ago. She agrees with Elmira native Anthony Miller that the parks need more attention, maintenance, and updates.
A lot of the parks now here too, after COVID, they all redid the hoops. They should redo that court. Honestly, yeah, I would like to see the football things back up.
And locals say this isn't just McKinnon, but other parks in the city as well, like Brick Pond Park, where there was graffiti on the playground, cans overflowing with trash, and a bench locals say has been broken and unusable for over a year now.
That whole area over there really just got run down. I have fished over there here and there with friends, but not that many people go over there anymore.
Big Fox reached out to City of Elmira's Parks and Recreation Department to ask how often the city parks are maintained, but the Buildings and Grounds supervisor could not immediately be reached for comment. Friends of Chemung River say they are waiting to hear from the city about whether this dumping is a code violation and what is going on with a private property on Pratt Street. Sonia Ellison, Big Fox News, Elmira.